Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Exness in 2026. For that, first of all, come here on exness.com and log into your account if you haven't already. Now here in the My Accounts section, you are going to see your real accounts available. So on the top, it will also show the balance that you have in your account. So you need to select that particular account of yours from which you want to withdraw the money. So let's say I want to withdraw the money from this particular account of mine. So I'm going to select the option of withdraw right next to it. Now, when you click on the option of withdraw, you will be landed here on the withdrawal page where you will be shown all of the different payment methods, and these may vary from country to country. So as per your country, it will be shown, you will be shown all of the payment methods with the help of which you can withdraw the money. So here the recommended options are cryptos, and sometimes you will get the bank account option as well. So you need to select the method with the help of which you want to withdraw the money. Afterwards, you just have to simply provide the external wallet address, then select your account and enter the amount. Then click on the option of continue and follow further on-screen instructions in order to withdraw the money to your wallet. So that's how you can do it very easily. The steps are really very simple. Thank you.